Good, just relax. Good, good. Drop your right arm a little bit. Whew.
Wow.
Good, turn your other right. Oh, yes.
Oh my God. Wow.
What's up, guys? It's your boy, Dr. Drew, back here in the channel at Forza Chiropractic in Arlington Heights. Today I'm here with Gabby. She's one of our recently new patients. She was recently involved in a car accident about 2 months ago. At the desk, hunched over, as well. She's got about an hour commute to work every day. Anyways though, guys, we're gonna go through her typical workup here, go through her entire spine, do a decompression as well. Good, just relax. Good, good. Drop your right arm a little bit. Whew.
Wow.
Let's go, let's go. Good, turn your other right. Oh, yes.
Oh my God.